Hi folks, today I'll show you how to stabilize shaky videos. This video was shot with a handheld Sony compact camera. I've deliberately made it a little bit shaky, but if you use medium stabilization plugin in Sony Vegas Pro, it smooths it out a bit. I'll now show you how to apply Sony Stabilize to a shaky video. You need to import the clip that's shaky, go to File, open the directory where that file is, which in my case is Camera Video, highlight it and click Open. Just drag it to the side a bit because we only want this effect to happen on that video clip. If you hover over the icon at the end of the video, the Event FX, if you left click it, it'll bring up a list of plugins. Alternatively, if you right click somewhere in the middle of the video and go up to Media FX, it will also open the list of plugins. Look for the Sony Stabilize plugin. If you double click it and click OK, it will open, or single click, click Add and click OK. You can have more than one plugin open at the same time, but in this case I'm just doing Stabilize. The default for smoothing and stabilization is 0.50. which is the medium one. There's also light stabilization, which is 0.25 for smoothing and stabilization, or heavy stabilization gives 0.75 in both cases. The sliders may also be moved left or right. I'm taking it far to the right, which gives smoothing of 1.00, and far to the right for the stabilization amount, also 1.00. For this to take effect, you must click Apply. In this case, it's only going to take seconds. A longer video might take a minute or even an hour. When finished stabilizing, click on the X at the top of the plugin. Now when we look at the fully stabilized picture, you can see how smooth it is using full stabilization compared with the original handheld video from the camera. You can see that this works rather well. I recommend it to you. How to stabilize shaky videos has been uploaded to YouTube. Look in the description under the video for links to related computer tutorials. Bye for now.